Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locating Cornifer, the cartographer, inside Kingdom's Edge. Listen for his humming or search for a glowing lantern. Once found, clear a short path so you can safely reach his cart, because hostile encounters will interrupt the transaction. Approach and interact to purchase the map. This gives you the basic outline and major markers. After purchase, make sure to pick up the map item and open it once, so the game registers the area and pins your starting location on the map. Once you have the initial map, use it actively. Stand near a bench or map station to update revealed terrain and permanent markers. Move deliberately through unexplored corridors and vertical shafts. The map refines as you traverse and uncover connections. Make sure to reveal branching tunnels and secret rooms. These often contain useful shortcuts or items. You should also note fast travel nodes and hazardous drops on the map, so you can plan safer return routes and avoid re-clearing difficult enemy clusters when backtracking later. To finish, revisit the map seller or a map station to ensure the region registers fully. This locks in discovered landmarks and reveals any remaining blind spots. Then systematically sweep corners. The map indicates and collect hidden items or charms that complete the area. Once done, make sure to set a bench nearby for a quick respawn and to plan onward objectives. Troubleshooting tip: if the map won't appear, reload the area, clear nearby enemies, or check you completed the purchase. Sometimes interaction fails if interrupted mid-transaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.